So makikita nyo dito sa transactions natin, meron tayong withdraw or send out. Para medyo may tweak, 3.1416 muna yung i-withdraw natin papunta sa centralized exchange. Okay, and then nung nasigurado ko na talagang working, walang aberya. Okay? Talagang smooth sailing. And na-receive ko yung 3.1416 Pi from my Pi wallet or dito sa Pi wallet ng asawa ko papunta sa Gate.io. Sa ako na winidraw yung remaining na available balance, okay, dito sa ating Pi mainnet wallet. Ayan. Okay. So dito yan, guys. So wala na tayong movable. Remember din pala, guys, kung yung date and time ng nyo, transfer to mainnet nung Pi balance ninyo is on or lagpas na doon sa date na nakalagay dito sa transaction history ninyo. Remember to move your available balance. Kailangan nyo lang i-click or i-check yung migrations, automatically lalabas yan dapat. Okay, may option doon para i-move, okay, yung available Pi mainnet balance papunta dito sa actual na available balance sa Pi mainnet wallet. And kapag may ganun na kayong view, definitely pwede nyo nang i-withdraw or i-send yung mga Pi coins to any centralized exchange or exchanges na in partnership sa Pi network project. Okay, yung kapartner niya in terms of KYB or know your business process. Okay, so syempre yung pinaka popular dyan or in demand dyan so far are yung OKX exchange, yung BitGet, and in my case, I can prove it's working on Gate.io. Matagal ko nang ginagamit yung Gate.io and no issues at all, okay? Ayan, guys, naka-receive tayo ng reminder sa ating Pi wallet. Don't forget to mine Pi coins. Your last mining session ended about an hour ago. Okay. Okay, makikita nyo dito pagka mine ko ng Pi, automatically nag-play yung ads ng OKX centralized exchange, buy Bitcoin, BTC, and crypto. Okay? Dito sa OKX exchange, pwede rin kayong mag-withdraw or mag-send ng Pi coins kung gusto nyo siyang i-convert into USDT or USDC. And then, bahala na kayo kung paano nyo siya didiskartehan, okay? Either you hold your Pi or kung gusto nyo siyang ibenta, okay? For whichever it will serve you best. In our case, nakapag-withdraw na kami. Yung combined profit namin so far na mag-asawa, nakaabot naman kami ng 43,000 yung nailabas namin.